Hey, it's Mike from Mike's Custom Wood Crafts. Today we're going to strip the logs, we're going to use the draw knife, and we're going to take off most of the bark. It's going to be a little monotonous, but we'll get through it. Here we go. Yeah, I found when you sit down and do this, it's easier than leaning over. Easier on the back, not to be hunched over. So, let's have at it. This bark is like a big bark. It kind of comes off in sheets, so hopefully it won't take too long here. Another thing we can do is take a screwdriver, start prying off loose chunks. Some people use a knife to do that. I don't like using a knife because I don't really want to gouge the wood too bad. Alright, some of that's going to be a little stubborn. The further down you go, you get rid of some of that watered, discolored look. Alright, let's give it a spin. This is like therapy if you do it long enough. Just think about all the weird stuff in your life and slowly work it out by ripping bark off. Now this piece doesn't want to come off too easy. You can see why this would take hours. I only have 4 more logs to go after this one. Yep, the thing about this is if you want log furniture or anything log that looks nice, you have to go through the monotony. I wish it was as easy as running something through a table saw, but it's not that easy. What do you guys want to talk about? Anybody a veteran? I'm an Army veteran. Any veterans out there? Hit that like and subscribe. Okay, got a foot done. I used to do this with earbuds on, jamming out to myself just to make the time go quicker. Oh, we missed a knot we didn't shave off in the last video. I was going to mention that too. In the last video, I did it with a chainsaw. I took off all the knots and bumps. You can also do that with a bandsaw. My bandsaw is just like a little 10-inch, whatever it is. It was hard to flip the bigger log around on it, so I did the majority of them like with a chainsaw. I did a few with the bandsaw. But if you have a bigger bandsaw, be it easier than doing the chainsaw. This is why I like shaving some of that down. It's so hard to get around this. I'm going to shave this one down right now. All right, let's hit this one on the bandsaw real quick. Okay, now that we shaved it down, let's see if it's any easier to kind of get around. Since I've been doing this a little bit more, I ordered myself a bigger draw knife. You can get them on Amazon, fairly good ones. I think the one I ordered was like 28 bucks. These are pricey. What I like about the one I ordered is it's more of a heavy duty steel. It's thicker and the handles come off, and I can take the handles off, take just the blade and go to the grinder and get a nice edge back on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this video here. I'm not going to make you watch me do this whole log or the other 4, but I'll get back to you when I can and I got them stripped, and I'll talk to you then. You guys have a great day. Hit that subscribe button. Let's see this thing to the end. Have a great day.